Hey, good morning everyone. Jim here from Racers and Rods again. Hey, we're in a beautiful Saturday morning here in Kissimmee, Florida. We're at the second annual Diabetes Awareness Show with the Motor Mob family. Cars are rolling in. We've got about 15-20 cars here behind us. I've got about another hour before the show starts actually, so we've got a bunch of cars rolling in. But I want to do one thing for you. I want to, since near and dear to my heart, this year, as many of you know, I've been diagnosed with type 2 diabetes, so I wanted to come out, wanted to share this, wanted to do this for everybody. So I wanted to introduce you to Caesar. Good morning.
Good morning, everyone. My name is Caesar Cesario. I'm with the American Diabetes Association. I'm the Director of Development for the state of Florida, and we're out here for the second annual Mopar Mob Family Diabetes Awareness Car Show. And this is a spectacular event and a true testament of the power of community, passion, and charity. So with the American Diabetes Association, the funds raised today are going towards supporting the ADA's effort for critical research, our advocacy, and crucial diabetes programs that impact millions of Americans. So thank you. We're excited to see everyone in all the great car shows, and go ADA.
All right. Thank you, Caesar. We appreciate that. So we're out here, we're getting rolling. You got the video going here. You see we got cars coming in. So check this out and we'll see you at the next show.
We're the Motor Mob family and you're watching Racers and Rods.